Wendy Rogers, and this is it, day 40. And I am just thrilled to have gotten to this point, to have been able to share this journey with you. And I so appreciate you for being with me on a daily basis, for asking questions, for giving me support and encouragement, and for allowing me into your space for these last 40 days. So I want to touch on a couple of things with you and summarize what it's been as much as I can anyway. So I have released 17 pounds and I have been at a steady weight now for the last week. So I know that I'll reach my plateau. Again, you will get to where you should be, and you won't get anorexic or bulimic or anything like that. So you don't just keep losing because the urine gives you the nutrients and the everything that you need in it to sustain you at a healthy body weight. So you won't get too thin. 40 days, and like I said, I've released 17 pounds. And so that's pretty good because I was not obese or anything like that when I started. So I'm really satisfied with that. I feel very comfortable in my body. And so, I don't feel weak, or, my my energy have just been just soaring this whole time. And I'm excited that I've had the opportunity to really go through this. And, when I first started, I had eczema on my fingers, and that healed within a week. And then I had this really, really bad, it looked like a ringworm. You can see maybe the discoloration here, but it itself, it's gone. You see, there's no more of the little crusty ringworm-like appearance on my face, and so I'm thankful for that. And this may just be a little tan too, because I've been in the sun. And so I wanted to just explain that eczema, psoriasis, and I had another condition back in 2014. It was called venous stasis. That was where my ankles and my feet swelled up so bad that I couldn't wear my shoes. I had to go and buy some of those clogs in 3 sizes too big for me, just to be able, to move around. And so your diet, what you eat, is very reflective in your overall health. And so with being on this fast, this urine water fast for the last 40 days, have had a very positive effect on my body, and it cleansed it completely of everything. Now, is there a longer fast? I'm sure there is, and who knows, I may go for it for a longer period of time. But for now, the 40 days have been very good for me. And so I also, I'm looking at my notes. I wanted to make sure that we talked about the daily routine. And if you missed that, it's in another one of the earlier, within the last 2 weeks, I believe, that I did the morning routine and showed you how to actually drink the water through your nose and to clean your eyes out. You can also use a Q-tip or something like that, or even, I guess, an eyedropper, and put it in your ear. It helps you to hear better. I know it has for me. And so those are a couple of the other things. And then I also showed you how to massage it in your hair when you want your hair to grow, or you have some spots where hair is missing, or things like that. And so we did the hair. You can put it on your skin. Um, I usually will stop drinking after 7 p.m. And that's because I don't want to be up all night running to the bathroom or going to the bathroom. And so I normally stop at 7. So it's like a 12 hour from 7 to 7. And then from there, I'll collect anything else that I do pass. And then when I take a shower, then I just pour it on the top of my head and just let it, just come over my body and dry naturally so that it's all over my skin as a skin conditioner. And your skin is the largest organ of your body. And so what you put on your skin goes through your skin and it becomes a part of you. So I say that to alert you. Watch what you put on your skin, any kind of topical lotions or moisturizers or ointments from the doctors. Make sure you know what the ingredients are. There's a lot of carcinogenic ingredients that are added to medications or creams and salves. Not all cosmetics and other type of body forms or body solutions are good for your body. So you want to start reading the labels. Please, please do that for yourself. And so with this being my last day on this urine cleanse, I want to drink to your health, drink to your wellness, drink to your wealth and happiness. Here you go. Mm, absolutely delicious. I love you. I am going to show you the orange juice and the soup. So stay tuned. Those are coming up. Here's you. I love you.